Hi, I'm Joey Simmons. In this video, we'll walk through the calibration of a K25 sensor with the Stratos Multi transmitter. To begin the calibration process, we'll go into the main menu. We'll go into Calibration, then into Analog Con. For this video, we will go through the manual calibration. We will hit Proceed. We'll have our sensor immersed in the calibration solution. For this video, we are using a 12.88 millisiemens solution. We'll then hit Proceed. The drift will be checked, and the response time will be checked as well. Now, once this is done, I will use the right arrow key to manually set what the buffer solution was, which again was 12.88. I will then click Proceed. It will go into my cell constant, and then I will hit Adjust. The adjustment or calibration was successful. I can close out of this. Now when I hit back, it will ask me if the system is ready to measure. I will click Yes. We can then go back to the main screen. The hold mode will be released, and the sensor will enter into measurement mode. The calibration is now complete. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to give us a call.